Okay, I've made some additions to this one, to this old Tim. This is my post-apocalypse kit. Also, I trim right there. Yeah. I've added this because it's more easier. I've decided to add um, 3 chords to this one. This is the one with the Jamie Belay chord. Yeah, I know I'm gonna get crap for having a trap type chord in here, but here's the thing: post apocalypse, everything was out the window, right? Um, so yeah. Well, that is actually better. I decided to add the bypass chord, which I got a few years ago in a year or two ago in the Good Workshop thing. Okay, has a little saw that should be good for whatever. I've also decided to put the escape and evasion chord in here because I already have an escape and evasion kit I usually carry. Okay, and then the few months ago lockpick set, the lockpick hook chord, as it's called. So yeah, just a quick little update, a quick little what I put in here. Yes, I know this has trapping and all that. Actually, let me get it out because I forgot if this is like version 1 or version. Wait, is it Jerry Boulay who has a version 2 chord? I don't know. But yeah, it's the original chord I put in here. I figure, hey, post apocalypse, you're gonna need to eat. This has some harpoons, which are these right here. The right here, these things has a few. Okay, so snare locks, default triggers, L7 triggers. Oh, it has a wow. I did not notice it had a saw. I really didn't. If you'll actually, yeah. Wow. That is actually really nice to have a saw. Of course, I have 1 saw, 2 saw, and like 3 saws at least, which is good. So yeah. Now, it says, I don't actually remember what the bend is for. But yeah. Um, but yeah, I decided, hey, I'm not using these for anything right now. Might as well put them in the kit, plus they're good quality. But yeah, a good reason I like Grim Workshop is because, you know, yeah, some of it's niche, like like escape and evasion, fishing. But then there's some stuff, like the signature chords that have different things. Yeah, eh, yeah. Uh, in case you're wondering, and it's the first time seeing this card, the right there, the like the gray, the frosted thing, that's a blade. So yeah. Now I decided, hey, might as well, right? I'm not using it for nothing. So yeah, have I actually opened this one? I want to see how. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I just did that, and yeah, it is pretty short. Don't do that, by the way. I'm pretty much an idiot when it comes like that. Okay. So yeah. I have this, by the way, in case you're wondering and you're new to this channel. I have this to actually get the cards out. Right? It's like this. And I take this, the little hook, and then I, pull it up to get it out. Yeah? Yep. So yeah. That's why I have that in there. But yeah. Uh, Also, I think this is it. I decided to put the Emoji Fishing Kit and with the post-apocalypse Ranger kit. Because here's the thing. You're scavenging post-apocalypse, right? Yeah. By the way, that is hemp cord. If you're new to the channel, I think it's 21 feet of hemp cord. I have I can't remember what it's called, but it's a hook. I think it's the hook dog tag. And for cutting or what have you, I have a DermaSafe razor. I bought like 10. I bought a big pack of these, honestly. So, yeah. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this put this right here. I put 21. It's a basic bare bones fishing kit. So, yeah. Anyway, so yeah. What's in here? Oh wait, yeah. What? Oh. I'm still trying to figure out how I can get this into stuff. But yeah, into the kits. So anyway, it's been post-apocalypse survival. Hope we survive in the wasteland. Hopefully apocalypse someday. Peace.